Hey there everybody, Jack Barnwell up on Mackinac Island, actually in my own home garden. We're gonna get to that in a minute. It's a complete weedy mess. So we're actually gonna do a video after this video of me diving in and getting the first bit of time in this garden for the entire season. But there's so many new viewers out there and folks out there that are following us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Thank you for that. But I thought I'd take a moment to introduce myself because there's so many of you that probably have no idea who this guy is, and maybe you just like beautiful gardens and beautiful things. But a little bit about the guy behind the channel or the Instagram account. I am Jack Barnwell. I live on Mackinac Island in Michigan and Naples, Florida. Own and operate Barnwell Landscaping Garden on Mackinac Island, C3 Gardens in Naples, Florida. I'm a landscape architect, I'm a pilot. Most importantly, I'm a proud papa of two beautiful boys, Reed and River, who are 6 and 3. My lovely, amazing, supportive, incredible wife, Karen, and I have created quite a monster with all these different companies. Those two being the major two, with Barnwell Landscape on Mackinac, C3 Gardens in Naples, Florida. We also own and operate Jack Barnwell Design, which is a design firm, and I do design work for landscape projects all over the country, and actually all over the world. We have this opportunity that we're working on and looking into once we get past this whole pandemic mess, for doing a big project in Africa, and so that's pretty exciting and wild, and it will definitely be shooting a lot of video for that. But we started doing some video work to share our world with all of you, and it's kind of started to take off like wildfire, where a lot of people are expressing a tremendous amount of interest in how we do what we do up on Mackinac Island here, by doing everything by horse and bicycle, and the uniqueness of running this landscape company on this incredibly beautiful summer resort island, and then C3 Gardens and everything that we have going on down there. And C3 is an extremely unique company in that we focus almost solely on self-watering beautiful planters for residential and commercial properties. And we developed this self-watering system to service this incredible clientele we have down there. And now we've patented and partnered up with Michael Carr Designs and Proven Winners to bring this product called Aqua Pots to the world. So my dream, my creation, my invention, call it what you will, is Aqua Pots, and all of a sudden we are nationwide distribution. They're beautiful, incredible product that are distributed all over the place. So those of you that don't know all these different things about me, you can check out aquapots.com to learn more about that, c3gardens.com. Obviously you've found us online if you're watching this anyway, but that's a little bit of the backstory of who I am and what we're doing. We're going to continue to do lots of filming. Rachel, who's behind the camera right now, is my right hand. She's the operations manager for C3 Gardens and my assistant, and she's been doing a tremendous amount of work to get all this video work together. She does all the editing and all the magic behind the scenes, to bring all of you so much of what we've been doing. And so she's here on Mackinac for a week, so we're gonna do a ton of filming through a lot of beautiful gardens, show you guys through some how-tos and whatnots of what we're doing up here on the island, building landscapes, putting landscapes to bed for the winter, and many other really cool, exciting little tidbits that we're hoping to share with you all this week. So stay tuned for that. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or wherever you prefer, and we'll keep the content coming to you. And if there's anything in particular that you'd love to see or learn more about, specific plants or a gardening technique or anything like that, we'd be happy to dive into it and share. So comment down below, and we'll get to all that. And yeah, thanks all so much for following along, and cheers. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.